An orchestra overhead of rocket blasts and gunfire sing the song of sacrifice. Fallen heroes of honor and valor have long given their lives exemplifying the words of Jesus Christ, who said, "Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends." Their commitment to freedom is strong, and their courage is infallible. Our future, our hope, and our faith in America reside in God's provision with His hand of blessing upon our country. Our nation is one that among all the nations of the earth, which holds in its hands the fate of the coming years. It is by the boldness of patriots, young and old, and their gallant efforts that we live today with such great abundance.